Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sha and it's Fragrance Fridays. Alright, we're gonna get right into it. Today's fragrance is going to be Ariana Grande Cloud Intense. I got this fragrance because I found a 20% off coupon for Ulta and I had points racked up, so I ended up getting this fragrance for $45. It does retail for $65 for a 3.4 fill ounce. So I have notes so that we can do this in 5 seconds and that I don't just go off in tangents. So first impression, when I first sprayed this, I got this yesterday, all I got was cocoa nuts. It was so coconutty, it was crazy, okay? Wow. Lots of coconuts. And then 20 minutes later, the coconuts pretty much disappear. And it kind of seems like the fragrance itself disappears, but it's still there. It's like whispering to you, okay? It's whispering. So after 20 minutes, I started to understand the fragrance. It's a beautiful fragrance, but it's all about the dry down, okay? Of course, you know I love putting things on the screen, so we're going to compare the ingredients of the original to the intense. I can understand why some people felt, in just reading the reviews, I didn't watch any reviews, but I read reviews where they felt like this is just Cloud 2.0. Like it's pretty much the same ingredients. And it is, but I believe there are 2 ingredients that she added. And I know one of them is ambroxan. You want to know what other fragrance has ambroxan? Baccarat Rouge. Ariana Grande's marketing team, PR team, whatever you want to call them, they are smart. Cloud has been going around in these internet streets as the dupe to Baccarat. And if you have ever gotten your hands on the original, and I've gotten samples after samples of Baccarat Rouge, you will know that the internets they've misled you, okay? Cloud is not a dupe to Baccarat. It's too sweet. But they said, you know what? If you want a dupe to Baccarat, let's work on that. So here comes Intense. They added a few more. They added ambroxan, and I think they added some other woody type of fragrance ingredient in there just to help it become a little bit more leaning towards Baccarat. But this is not a dupe to Baccarat. I would say this is in the category. It's in the same fragrance family, maybe the same fragrance DNA, but this is not going to satisfy your need for Baccarat. I personally do not like Baccarat. I find Baccarat actually a little animalistic. I go very nose blind to it, but I love it on my husband. Baccarat is all, to me, it's all about chemistry. It's either it works with you or it doesn't. So pretty much this fragrance lasts on me about 3 to 4 hours. I would say it lasts on my skin, but on my clothes, it does last into the next day. So it is a nice fragrance. It's all about the dry down. It gives me like a nice vanilla, musky, mature scent. Definitely inoffensive. You can wear this in the office. I don't think you'll get anyone's allergies going. This is definitely a casual date night fragrance. This isn't something I would wear to like an expensive restaurant, or this is like a big date. This is not a first date fragrance. This is, we've known each other for a while and it's just gonna be a cozy day. Definitely a nice fall fragrance for family gatherings. Definitely see myself wearing this for Thanksgiving, Christmas dinner. It's very nice. It's very cozy. It's very inviting. Don't overspray. I know with these type of fragrances, you do not want to overspray. Just because you might not smell it, they are definitely going to smell it on you. All right. I didn't talk about the packaging, so let's just get a clip of the bottle. It's a nice bottle. It's a darker blue. I believe the original, I think this is white and that is light blue, but it's a bottle. It comes out of the stand, real simple. I personally am not going to keep it in the stand. When I first looked at it, I said, okay, this is for kids. This is a little juvenile, but that's no shade to her. I am not her target audience, okay? A 30-something-year-old with kids, I'm not her target audience. So this is not designed for me to find appealing. It's cute. So it's cute, but I'm not gonna keep this in the stand. I'm probably gonna do, I don't know if I'm gonna throw it away, but I'm just gonna keep it like this. So that's pretty much my 125. Try to keep this short, but that's pretty much my review on this fragrance. It's a really good price point for this fragrance. Do I find myself possibly purchasing this again when it runs out? Maybe. I really do like the fragrance. It's definitely something I've already worn to bed, definitely wearing it around the house. I wore it this morning. It's a really nice fragrance. I find myself just spraying it often. It's just nice. So that's pretty much it. Yes, I am holding my little one. You gotta do what you gotta do. That's pretty much it for this 5-minute review. Probably not 5 minutes, but anyway, that's pretty much it for my thoughts on Ariana Grande Intense. And I will see you guys next Friday for Fragrance Fridays. Bye!